Okay. Playing. Don't press the button. I did start off by people pressing the button. I don't know if this. I just saw this game. I don't know if this is because I know there is a don't press the button, but I don't know if this is the official one. Also, I don't know if this music's copyrighted, but who cares? I swear this game isn't the real one. Wait, I'll start recording when I'm back. Wait, no. Okay, and you see something? Okay, wait. I'm gonna see if this is the real game actually. Okay, now I know that this game is the real one. Yay. I died. Don't press the button! Don't you know? For dinosaurs. Henry's wait, does Henry even have a forehead? Nobody press. Oh my god, where'd I go to Bloxy Colas? Okay, I died. RIP. What am I? Okay, this video is gonna. Okay, button presser. Can you guys stop pressing the button? Nobody wants to press the button. Oh, this isn't that bad. Am I collecting coins? I'm never gonna play this game again. I don't know. God, I don't want to buy it. Dang, go away from that chest. I'm poor, okay. Playing football, not soccer. This is football. You use your feet in this. No, stop pressing the button. Right. No! I let my Padawans down. Yay. Fun. Finally, Wait, pretty sure we've done this before. Yeah. If we just keep on getting the same thing, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I was meant to know even. Oh god. No, I'm scared. Yay. Wait, that guy made it? Even though he fell to his demise? How's that fair? Don't press the button. No, I didn't even press the button. Choose a side. Yellow! It's my favorite color if you didn't know. I'm just kidding. It's not. It's Henry's. I don't know. No, I died! No, I don't even have much Robux. Damn, 4. How can I find the shop? Let's see. Quickly get to the top. Okay. Whatever you say. Red. Oh. Okay. Well, time to party. Yeah, bah. No, I wanted to press the button once. No. Oh, it's good of you. Man, isn't the button just protection? Am I gonna be a real man? Actually try and survive this unlike those noobs. That snowball's stuck in the air. I didn't press the button. Ah! getting coins to get the magic carpet. Can you even buy coins? Credits. They're called credits. 20 Robux for 300. I have this. Why couldn't you go? You could have just told me to put it on. I'll put it on. Except it looks terrible in here. Grappling hook. I want the grappling hook. Oh no, never mind. Where the heck is the water? Oh god, there. I burnt. My banana body has been burnt to a crisp. I press the button. Yeah, I press the button. Ah! Gotta go fast, fast. Sonic X. Sonic.exe. Yeah. I'm not gonna put a picture up. Somebody's still a banana. Let's see what I can buy. What's something good? A serious ball. I thought that was an astronaut helmet. Nothing cool. I'm saving up for this. But I would even get it by the end of this video. No, I died. It's this one. Never mind. Would I get points for that? Is this? Yeah. Money. Yay! Give me more money. Press the button. Press the flipping button. My god, blocking me. No, not this dude again. Haha, you're unlucky. Nobody cares. Whoa. Acid is spreading. No! Safe zone. Haha, you're never gonna get me, Acid. No, I wanna meet the almighty button press. Volcano. Oh god! That's not how volcanoes work! Well, god, they don't just eat themselves at you. Well, they do, but like, it comes from the top and it doesn't go eat. I don't think so. Oh god, I'm stupid. Oh wait. Safe zone! Can't I just go like right up here? Hey volcano, I'm not scared of you anymore. Because I can dance and like you. This is stupid if I don't put music here, but I'm gonna not put music here because it's stupid. Where the heck is the black hole? There's no black hole. And Bloxy-Cola to survive. I don't see any Bloxy-Colas! No, I don't think anybody found those. Pizza. Oh yeah, I want that pizza. How much is a pizza? Ooh. There's annoy people with that. Do what all the noobs do. I died! I have such a late reaction. Yay. Time to press a million times. I'm just touching. I'm not moving. I'm just gonna press this button. One. It's fun. Okay, after this button, I'm probably ending this video. It's a little bit long. Ooh, yes. Finally. No! I died on the last one. Are you kidding me? Okay, maybe this won't be the last one because it's not even 10 minutes long. Well, it is 10 minutes long, this video. What's so tough about you, huh? Huh? You're never gonna go. You're not gonna squeeze me up. Ah! No! The button pressure. He's so majestic. He has his You Make the Game builder. Fuck you. Let's try it. Well, I think after this. I think after this, then I'm ending the video. I'm climbing. Oh no! Lava. That's it. Ah! 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 Okay. Bye, kids. Wait. Bye, people. I hope you eat your apples. Eat poo. No, just eat apples. No! Okay, this is the last one. I'm sorry. Okay, never mind. It's not the last one. Bye.